Service and repair recording in AGen fleet management software is a simple recording which can be performed on mobile devices or PC. Just key in the vehicle number, then system will automatically show the driver name and confirm the vehicle number. After the vehicle is serviced or repaired, driver need to key in the mileage of the vehicle and then select type of service or repair and then select the service center name where he send the vehicle for service. And finally import the image into the AGen portal for recording purposes and press the save button to save the record. Instead of key in the vehicle plate number, the driver can also key in their driver ID. In this case is 53100. AGen will then automatically pull out the driver's name and vehicle number on the system. Let key in mileage 778990. Select the service repair type as repair breakdown. Let key in mileage 778990. Select the service repair type as repair breakdown. And the service center is 21 engine heavy vehicle SDN BHD. Then upload the repair receipt for recording purpose, then save the record.